Dembra, you can. Assassin there. Nananom binum ezikan ewa ha. Na yawo na kwame du abebio otodu ebie. Onu ye ekwan na kwaba. Na yasro yan wusu de. Nananom anafu na abakan sei, abakan enu wi. Nananom anafu abakan enu ho. I also will be tied to catch an unknown. Sansa over here and Afro. I also have a can over her. The Vinci Usher will answer that. I said, do. Now, yes, right. When I tent now, Asafo. The question now, one name, yes, right. That my canoe, Benti, Anafo, and Ten, and Cook, yes, right. Sir, and you would be around. Great chief of Common. Now you're confused. I'm a hen and as a manaba. Aha, the Jagu, Nanam, for every day. I'm for match. I'm for fin. That's all. What you protest along? What you want to do? Yeah, I'm for four. I could tell you something. No, I'm for friend. You know, match. No, I'm for four. I'm for friend. My wife, where you want it? Where was made a session? Next lesson, I'm going to listen. I'm for friend. Enough.
Yeah, Oguaa Fetu Afahye 2025. Ehwa mane eboni na yede ebrel. Victoria Park and Jubilee Park. Aha, and the Grand Deba. Ekoswa, ye kasa ide. Nananom enam kwan so a wono eba betina se. Asafo companies no dodo wono a na ohwei wono eba aba betina se. Na fe Osaberima Kwesi Atta otoso mienu ene Nananom age wono madwa na dwumadi ahodo ni nyina so yede ato aso de ama ho medical aka se afie ohempon a Oguaa man ato nsa ede afre no se ne afie twa mu wono mo to nsa frɛ Asantehene His Royal Majesty Otum Force etutu ababio ema ne de nanumonyam ebeta afahye ye kire no afie Wamatonsa at the afraid the Olu of Warri. Olu Ojiame. Atuwache. Ya Otoso Miensa. Ya Oye Olu State. Olu mining yina ye wala tamemuno. Ono ne wono ohimpon. In fact, say Yesha Bako Semwa, he is the 21st Olu of Warri. The 21st Olu of Warri. Yeah, can say Odine ni monyam ababe techri. Kamia say me hunu will be to say Honorable Samuel Ofusu Mahunu ha. Ane mpanifo bebre. The special guest of honor, Her Excellency Professor Jane Nana Opoku Ajeman, Her Excellency the Vice President. And it's a special day for her because she happens to be the first female Vice President. Oba ya odikanya oyo mampania be di akire. Ana wasan so efri mfimfiri mantem ha. Nti ane no akoye da soronko e de amano as the Vice President and a citizen of the Central Region. Enti Professor Jena no Poko Ajeman edna ni monyamba beta dwumadi yi achi ya yehwe ni mo enche bia aba betena se eni mpanifo nkaye mamemmo the planning committee abegyafo a wono ehwe adwumadi echekere woma ba adwuma papa afie twemu womo ye adwuma afie oma ye adwuma eburo ohwe entutoye ni hihye ya wono mu de egu akwan so a mamembo planning committee no abaso the chairperson for the planning committee Mrs. Charlotte Osei, former electoral commission chair. Ono na oye the chairperson for the planning committee of Oguaa Fetu Afahye. One na beja kwama ya juma papa. Ya mi ya Kojo Yankson. Joy 99.7 FM Kojo Yankson. Oka planning committee no eho. Oma ya de pa entotoye ya wono mo aye in all aspects. Oma ya juma papa. O hwe ban bo mu nsem so a the Ghana Police Service so ejina ne nan so jina branding. Ya Ghana Police Service. One of so abu adwuma papa. Well, yeah, can say the Asafo companies, no. Ban one more eba. Send me di kind a day at 2 anymore. My main son so encore Asafo companies. There's 7 Asafo companies. My main son so enkomubio. Na menfa elmau. Yawo Bentil Company. Omo number 1. Bentil Company. Omo number 1. Anafo Company. Onomo number 2. Enten Company. Were number 3. And Nkum Company. Were number 4. If you are Brofoma Company. Were number 5. And Akrampafo Company. Were number 6. Motor de son so Amamere Company. Otodo is one. And these are the 7 Asafo companies are. Oshe TV sway. Wamo airban kakran. Ababaji wanomo akonya. Yakwenim kakra. Medi wamo mwabakosem. Jumedia wamo ADA. Medini na ebeba na medi abetuja. Ede amount. And so far. Yego so ya yede amane nyina no yede bro Adom Amamere o share our Facebook na wa share. This is one of the biggest festivals in Ghana. Oguaa Fetu Afahye. It's one of the biggest festivals in Ghana. Ya yede mu amane yede ebrewo Her Excellency the Vice President, Professor Gina Nopokwajuman, about joining. About joining. So and penny four and Kayena Oguaa Mahin Osaberima Kwesi Atta your todo ebien. Ono and a Jumedi na si and I so Oguaa Mahima Nana Ekwa Abochi ono so Jumedi Usinina do papa any Asafo company sirinina enti koso na mo afidie no enda ha odo comment ni so eto social media streaming no ase a yebeje bre na fe yakenkan de amao live coverage here dey bre we shining so say ye dey aseda no the luckiest festival rave yeah enra womo adaroma African dance hall king Shatawale enra obepiem ewo Cape Coast Sports Stadium bepiem honoma ode agudie kama ehye so the luckiest festival rave ya do man papa so and Fidelity Bank believe with us and Guinness and so a crash and it's in Jumakoi and crash and ma a live coverage all the way from Cape Coast in the Central region. The Ebrewo. Media the Chief Jerry Force, Minimidiaba, Mami Boatima, the Fantidor, and Yedi Jumedi Hon Chiame. Production team, solid. Team Ayawaha, Bubruja, Osha Mantia, one more Eja, Busha Fohona, Wamaba, Shese, Wonsu Benya Jumedi B, Ashe, solid technical team from engineers to camera guys. To sound solid. Repair mebodini na yabo no mo abaso. Enti kwaso ahwe wobra yeguso ya yede live coverage Oguaa Fetu Afahye 2025. Etre daso innovate to elevate. Say oyen sachaye woni awuye bia mu na aboama empeja aba wabrabo no emu eno ni tire eda Afahye yi eso enti koso ahwe ekire yi ebesan so abam.
So it takes time to be alive at this very moment. And of course, if you are a Cape Coast,
many groups and individuals who take pride in the culture and tradition of Oguaa. And so this afternoon, kindly permit me to say a big thank you to the following individuals, brands, and companies who have thrived, contributed to make this festival, Oguaa Fetu Afahye 2025, a success. So let me say a big thank you to Ghana Revenue Authority for your support. The GNPC is fully on board. Ghana Commercial Bank, Stanbic Bank, QIC, Back Press. I believe you're seeing the beautiful brochure for the occasion. Margins ID Systems also fully on board. The Luckiest Africa, Asasi Radio, Cape Coast Metropolitan Assembly, the Honorable George Rickett-Hagan, who is also the board chair for the Ghana Revenue Authority and the MP for Cape Coast South. Afro is a very popular drink, and I know those who love it know about it. Thank you to Afro. Lush on the Coast. Goyle. So if you're talking about good energy, Goyle is on board. Very thank you to the Honorable Julius Deborah, yes, for his contribution. Irani Brothers also on board. Imesco, Glyco, MTN, Telecel, the University of Cape Coast, UCC, APSA, La Bianca also fully on board, Oguaman Investment, Reach Royal Hotel, the Ghana Investment Promotions Council also on board, UNICEM, SNET on board, DVLA, COA RML, Guinness Ghana, and R Limited. And of course, the government of Ghana for supporting us to make sure that Oguaa Fetu Afahye is a success. Let's also talk about the Ghana Gas National Company Limited. And to the media, today, Oguaa is all over the world, made possible, kind courtesy the media. And so, if I do not mention you, kindly pardon me, but I'm seeing multimedia fully on board, Joy News, Prime, help me out, Joy Prime, Joy FM, and the rest of the team. We also have Asasi Radio, Asasi Broadcasting Company Limited, giving us the official stream for today. So if you go online, please go online and share what is happening here to the world. Locally, we have a lot of them. We have Graphic, we have ATL FM, and as we go on, I'll keep mentioning and honor those of you all.
Dama macha barakano abwafa wabwo nedumezin ana wadunezinu enti se banebudo ha ma monye wawo ma monye dadwin ma monye mpofu masembiara sisia wona wa bane ye oye enten nyo asafuku amara modom one enten enwan na wa bakan no wa sisiaran wona afasu wona afazi wona bobio no etire aya ahebu no kuti nyo one entenfo and also we display kakra bo yesi we za go kakra che na nanu abaka yeno wono na we a wakatena bia wo za mo wono ti abasre se ambo asafukuru mu biara mpo na sa atena efoma yese na kuachi kakra ma hen ama henu anu oba we bebi na wotumi na watena ama hen edahomasi.
So we are still awaiting the arrival of Oguaa Manhin, Osaberima Dr. Kwesi Atta II. And of course, this occasion is graced by the Kingdom of Warri, all the way from Nigeria. So this afternoon we'll be having the Olu and Olori of Warri Kingdom, together with some chiefs who are in Cape Coast because of Oguaa Fetu Afahye 2025. GTV, Ghana Broadcasting Corporation, is celebrating 90 years. Where were you 90 years ago?
Oh, 90 years ago.
So they are here with us. The whole Ghana watches Cape Coast. So thank you very much to the state broadcaster.
Asafo.
Well, please hold on for us. The two Member of Parliament, our Cape Coast North MP and Cape Coast South MP, the Honourable Ricketts Hagan, the Honourable Dr. Pamela Mintanyako, have just arrived.
So honors are fine. Hey, anyo, nene mbese be bofu, igwena na afo. Ye, igwe etifi ni nara abaka eno. Wonya buta be. Akonko wa. Honorable Kweku Ricketts Hagan. Abaka eno wa ha. Damaso na yawo mbese be gwe Dr. Pamela Mintanyako.
Emi Asafo ye me in chain no. Na semintan one go on to bado.
Enye wona muti we catch kin. Honorable George Justice Atta. Ono no tina amampina na mu gbai. Enye ni penfo abakansa.
Emi Asafo mama obakuku otuku bayeje tuku botuan.
Well, we are live also
on
TV.
Yes.
Hello to all our viewers live on Adom TV. This is Cape Coast, and this is the annual Oguaa Fetu Afahye.
Yes, sir, you know. Yes, you can. As upon the day, sir, and your Benson, Benson, for one time, yeah. You can never tell community. The man, I come as a first son, yes, sir, it's upon a lady. One, two, back. I believe it. Yes, sir. And since we know them, yes, sir. When I was on one question, the commander, Master for Kununtum home. Tomorrow night in Kuma, and Kufuna will tell Kufuna name, one question in my hand. Now, in Kumufu as a Kununtum home. That's right, you know when I'm done my life. That's right. My phone back. Session Pebu there. In Kufu was Washington City. I have somewhere.
All right, so I understand we're also live on Oguaa TV. So hello to all our viewers on Oguaa TV. For the purpose of our brothers and sisters from the diaspora and our invited guests, I choose to speak English. And my brother here helps us to translate that into Fanti. So kindly pardon me for that. I mean, do be all back today. Irabe onka Fanti, so onka Fanti, or chominya maka Fanti. Then we are yazi or do be atasi. Once again, we acknowledge the very significant support received from GCB Bank PLC, the Ghana Revenue Authority, Ghana Gas, Quality Insurance Company, the Government of Ghana, GOIL, GNPC, the Luckiest, and the Honourable Ricketts Hagan.
Ye Cassiera, Yane, Ehipana, Ofi, Yoruba, Abakansa, Abdullah, Masha, what to do the beard, Yana, Aquaba. Yes, sir, Nananom, and Asafo, dead. They are watching, yes, sir. And Sinafu, and Tanabia. Yes, sir, you know. As I say, Tanabia, Denver, as a fool is sanity. Tanabia, as a son, Denver, as a fool is son, Otsi. It's your saying. That's it. Oh yeah, Abdullah, Masha, up to the beginning. Capcos, Oguaa, you over for Oguaa, Nina, Aquaba. Yes, Nananom, and Asafo. Bentin, Bear, Nasi, come on. About your beer is a factory and telephone in that name. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Well, for the purpose of our viewers and all of us here, I think we need to educate ourselves a little about the city of Fet. Like I started by saying, what is Ghana history without Cape Coast? When you talk about the history of Ghana, well, this used to be Ghana's first capital, the city of First, and we pride ourselves as such. And we all can see that the first castle in South